2020 is one of the best times to actually start a YouTube channel.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Especially during lockdown, because a lot of us are at home, a lot of people are watching YouTube, which means there's more viewer time, you have more free time, and you can definitely earn some extra income. I started my channel a year ago, but I'm really active during the pandemic, even though my business is at home anyway, and all my employees are working from home. But as you can see here, if I go on my analytics, go on revenue, click on, I don't know, 2020, can I do that? For the last 365 days, most of my income was since the pandemic, and now I'm making like 12 bucks a day, which really adds up, right? I can make 300 bucks or whatever per month, and slowly I know I can grow it 10x if I continue posting within the next few months. But the question isn't actually can you make money from YouTube, because that's pretty obvious you can, people are making money. Can you actually run a YouTube channel from just your phone, iPhone, Android device, whatever? Yes, you can. It's the best time to start that. And here we go, how to create a YouTube channel straight from your iPhone, and there's some special things I have for you if you stick until the end of the video. But all I want from you is to sit back, relax, and first grab a cup of coffee, because you are awesome. And second, my free 0 to 10k followers guide on Instagram that you can grab your copy of in the description down below. That was pretty fast now, wasn't it? Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is you gotta go on the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Click on search and actually type in two things. First, type in YouTube and download the app. As you can see, I already have that. And then also download Creator Studio. Yeah, and now it's called YouTube Studio. So just download YouTube Studio as well. From YouTube Studio, you can check all the analytics that I just shown you at the beginning of the video, but you can just do the creation process from the official app. Just click the three dots right here, and from there you can click an add account option. And here you just create an account. For example, for myself, type in your name, for example, Nikki, doctor, click on next. Then you select your date of birth, which should be the accurate one, shouldn't be a fake one. Gender should be whatever. You can choose a random email address, that's not a bad idea. Use your phone number, or just skip that. Click on next, review, go down below, agree to everything, create account, just to confirm it's okay. And here is your YouTube channel. It's so simple to do that. And to actually upload your first video, you just click the upload button right here, and you can just record from your phone and click the cancel button option, click on next, choose, upload as, then choose a title and everything else. So yeah, this is how you do it. And you know what? I can give you a jump start. I can help you with your YouTube career. Just comment your YouTube channel name down below and I'll help you out in one of the next videos by shouting you out, and probably in my Instagram stories as well. How cool is that?
Oh my god! Wow!
And here are the shout-out winners in this episode. We actually have a few. First, we have an Instagram account, photo.graphy&cars. Pretty self-explanatory. Then we have, I really want 1,000 followers on Instagram. It is Lucas Redert. Give him what he really, really wants. Tell me what you want. What you really, really want. And then we have F Mawaki, who says official -L Mawaki road to 1,000. So yeah, this is it for today's episode. Remember that the video that gives doctor weight, this is not financial or medical advice. By the end of this video, check one of these videos out. Now, do it or die.